And don't forget the child support system.
Yeah.
The
We
child
haven't
support
gotten
system
there, baby.
is so corrupt.
Yeah.
Okay.
They
Why? Explain it.
So you want to explain
The
how you
child
get your
support,
arrears?
Yeah, I mean by canceling any licenses that you may have. If you're a driver, if you owe $10,000 or more in arrears, New York State would automatically go for any license you may have. They can intercept your tax refund. They can freeze your bank account. And the craziest thing of it all is that they can have incorrect information or stale information, and they will still, once they get you in that machine, whether it's criminal or family, man, it's going to be hard to escape.
Yeah, I know of a situation in which a person got custody and they were still taking child support for the child.
Yeah.
And like the system of going, hey, this child is with me, like it was a petition and kind of like, it was a process within itself just to convince, a whole lawsuit to convince them like, hey, this child said fuck, I don't say the child said fuck her, but the child was like, I'm changing teams, I'm transferring, I'm a free agent, I'm going to daddy's house.
Taking my talents to South Beach.
Yeah.
But think about that. Like, there's an AFC. Shouldn't it be as simple as contacting the AFC and being like, hey, please, I'd like you to re-interview my daughter. And she's saying she won't live there. She has reasons for it. And we'd like to do an order of show cause, and we'd like to change the custody petition and change the child support. And then the AFC gets involved because they are the ones supposed to advocate for the child. Yeah. And then after they agree with you based upon whatever is conducted, you go to court in front of the same judge who knows the facts.
Very important.
Yeah. If you get a bad AFC,
once they go with one parent, the court kind of flows that way too.
Really? And describe what the AFC is again?
Attorney
for the child.
Ah, okay.
But if you get a bad AFC, your case is screwed.
Really?
It's over.
It will drag. It will be a nightmare. We've had, especially with like minors, like who are like really immature, maybe have trouble communicating.
Yeah.
What does a bad AFC mean? Like what?
Busy one who doesn't have any time. Doesn't respond.
Won't interview the child. Won't take any reports of neglect or abuse taken seriously. Yeah. We had one recently. We reported an incident where there was drugs and there was violence and there were issues happening, and basically visits couldn't continue. It's been 3 weeks. Still hasn't spoken to the person who reported it.